Welcome back, friends. So friend, in previous video I have created all this structure and I have linked and attached all these files which were inside the folders here, inside these freelance folders. So first of all, I go to my browser and I close this font-awesome and I click over new tab, and now I open this page. If I click, I copy this link, I copy this link. This is actually demo theme, and I paste it here. And just I remove this demo, and now I click enter. So now you can see that this is the Computerfever freelance, and this is the index page which has been created here and which has been saved here inside the freelance. This one is the index.php. If I go to htdocs, you can see that freelance, this is the freelance folder, and which is inside the htdocs, and this is it is address localhost /freelance /index.php. I have not written anything here, therefore nothing is showing here, because now I am going to start work over here. Therefore I have opened this page here. So I come back here and I press Ctrl N, or I go here and I click new, and I make a new page. Now I go to file and click save, and I go inside the includes which is inside the freelance, and I assign it a name header.php, because first header will be made of this page. So I would like to tell you that this page header.php has been created inside this includes. This includes is inside freelance. So if I double click over it, header.php. So now I shall include this page here, index.php, in index.php, right under the starting body tag. After making this PHP basic syntax, include parentheses and semicolon to close, double quotes, includes folder /header.php. So this is the page. Now I shall start work here. Whatever the work will be done here will be shown in index.php, because I have included this page here. There. So first I make the navigation tab, nav tag, and I assign it a class navbar space navbar -expand -lg, navbar -dark, because its color will be dark. It is the default classes. These are the default classes of Bootstrap. bg mean background dark. Fixed top, it will remain fixed at top. Now I comment it. I copy this class name and paste it inside the comment. Starts and ends. Actually I have not closed this one, therefore this error is showing. Now I have not closed here too. So now you can change that is color. The closing nav tag color has been changed into blue color. Otherwise, when I did not put this one, then its color was also showing green. So I make again, so it was a mistake. Now I make a div tag inside this nav tag, div start and div close, and I assign it a class container. Comment it, container starts, ends. Now I make the button start and button close. And I assign it a class navbar dash toggler. Data dash toggle is equal to double quotes collapse, because this button will be collapsible. Data dash target, I create this ID and it will be called later on navbar nav. Friend, I would like to show you this button. Actually, this button shows on small screen sizes, on small devices. So I come back to my browser and I go to this demo theme. So if I decrease its size, you can see that here no button is showing. But if I decrease its size, so this button, this is the button which automatically hides due to this class navbar dash toggler and data dash toggle collapse. It automatically hides in the biggest screen. This is the button which is collapsible and shows all these icons. So this is the button which has been created here through this given class navbar dash toggler data dash toggle collapse, and this ID has been created which will be called later on. So now I do the next work. Inside the button, I make a span tag, span start and span close. Assign a class navbar dash toggler dash icons for showing the icon, that icon inside the button box icon. Now I have made one anchor link under the button. Navbar, assign it a class dash brand. I go back to my browser and I copy this link. I copy it and paste it here. I have given the same index page link here inside this anchor tag which has been assigned this class navbar dash brand, the default class of Bootstrap. So friend, now I press Ctrl S to save and I come here, and if I refresh this page, and now you can see that this black color navbar, because I have assigned its BG color dark to it, and if I decrease its sign, so now you can see that this icon, collapsible icon, is showing, which is showing on the small screen, this one. And if I bring my cursor over here, so I now increase its size, now that button has been hidden from on the big screen. So here I write Computerfever. Now I make one more anchor tag. Under this anchor, start and close inside the container div. And I assign it the class navbar dash toggler and I write this address localhost /freelance /mobile_ categories.php. I haven't created this page mobile_ categories.php, but it will be created later on. So friend, now I give the icon to it through the I tag, and then I will show you this anchor and icon also. Class fa space fa-th-large. So now I go to my browser and I take you to demo theme, and if I decrease its size, so this is the icon or -1, and this is the anchor link. You can watch here at the bottom of this page, localhost freelance _demo mobile_ categories.php. You watch here. So now if I come here to this page which is being created and I refresh it, now if I decrease it is sign. So now you can see that this button is showing here also for mobile devices. So also show the link here at the bottom, freelance mobile categories.php. So friend, till this level and this Computerfever text is also showing here, this one. So till this level I have created this navigation bar for small sizes of screens devices. So now I shall come back in next video and begin my work.